But moving on, the political situation in Haryana continues to remain volatile. In the latest, the former Haryana CM Bhupinder Singh Hooda has sought time from the governor and is expected to meet with him today. The JJP leader Dushyant Chautala too had earlier written to the governor seeking a floor test for the present Haryana government to prove its majority on the floor of the House. Now remember, this comes after 3 independents withdrew their support from the newly formed Nayab Singh Saini-led BJP government. It's important to note that a trust vote cannot take place on technical grounds, as a fresh trust vote cannot take place for 6 months post a trust vote which has already been conducted. The BJP currently has 40 MLAs in the assembly, which is shy of the majority mark of 45 in the now 88-member House. Meanwhile, the Congress, the grand old party, they're claiming to have the support of 30 MLAs.
उनको कोई किसी से सरोकार नहीं है, वो लोगों को गुमराह करना चाहते हैं। उनको देना चाहिए लिखित रूप में राज्यपाल महोदय को कि उनके पास कितने विधायक हैं, वो लिखित रूप में दें। ऐसे गुमराह मत करें। अभी हमने विश्वास मत हासिल किया और जब समय आएगा हम विश्वास मत हासिल करेंगे। कांग्रेस के समय में बड़े बड़े भ्रष्टाचार हुए हैं, बड़े बड़े घोटाले हुए हैं, लोगों को इन्होंने लाइन में लगा करके रखा है और इनकी सोच रहती है कि लोगों का ध्यान इनके घोटालों की तरफ ना जाए, लोगों का ध्यान इनके भ्रष्टाचार की तरफ ना जाए, लोगों को जो प्रताड़ित किया है उससे ध्यान डाइवर्ट करने की इनकी ये सोच रहती है।
My colleague Amandeep joins us now to bring us more on what's going on in the background. Amandeep, when it comes to what's taking place now, of course you have to prove majority here because, importantly, you've had 3 members remove themselves from the party. Thereby, the BJP has lost strength there in the House. But what's going on in the background when it comes to poaching? Are there any allegations of poaching? Has resort politics made its way to the forefront once again?
Well, absolutely. It is not the matter of hooching or it is not the matter of horse trading, Nivedna. The point is that JJP 4 MLAs were already extended their support to BJP. And now again in this entire crisis, in the middle of this crisis, former Chief Minister of Haryana Manohar Lal Khattar met those 4 MLAs in Panipat yesterday, seeking their support if the floor test take place. Though there is no confirmation so far from the side of governor that either the floor test will take place or something else going to happen in this entire scenario when the BJP has lost the majority in the assembly of Haryana. And all the political parties have joined the camp. They are pressing to the governor for the floor test or the presidential rule. JJP, Congress, INLD, all along with the 3 independents also who have extended their support to Congress party as well. So the situation is quite complicated, but yes, the last call has to be taken by the governor either to go for the floor test or for the presidential rule, or this government will sustain till the time anybody challenges or proves that either the BJP is in the minority or some other political party is coming in the majority by signing 45 MLAs on a letter and give that letter to the governor. So it's a quite complicated situation, but governor has to take the call just because he has the discretional powers to call the session to conduct the floor test as well. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us.